Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up Shopify Tax for non-US sellers so you stay compliant and avoid tax mistakes in 2026. If you're selling on Shopify outside the United States, tax setup can feel confusing at first. Different countries have different rules, so yeah, getting this right from the beginning is really important. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and opening the settings area. From there, go to taxes and duties. This is where Shopify manages all tax-related settings for your store. Next, set your store's business location correctly. Make sure your country, region, and address are accurate because Shopify uses this information to calculate taxes properly. If this is wrong, your tax calculations can be wrong too. Now, choose how taxes apply in your country. For many non-US sellers, this includes VAT, GST, or sales tax depending on where you're registered. If you're registered for VAT or GST, enter your tax registration number in Shopify. This tells Shopify that you're a registered business and not just an individual seller. You'll also want to review tax settings for each region you sell to. Some countries require you to charge tax only if you have a tax obligation there. Others may require tax on digital products, physical products, or both. So, take a moment to double check the rules that apply to your business. Next, review your product tax settings. Inside each product page, make sure the option to charge tax is enabled where required. If some products are tax exempt, you can adjust that individually. Shopify also allows you to decide whether taxes are included in your prices or added at checkout. In many non-US markets, prices are shown with tax included. Choose the option that matches how customers expect to see pricing in your country. After that, run a few test checkouts. This helps you confirm that taxes are being calculated correctly before real customers place orders. Yeah, testing now can save you a lot of trouble later. Finally, remember that Shopify calculates tax, but you're responsible for filing and paying it. Keep proper records and consult a local tax professional if you're unsure about compliance. So that's how to set up Shopify Tax for non-US sellers in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials and global selling tips, and I'll see you in the next one.